Om Pranam. I'm Dr. Vimal Saxena and welcome you in Yogic Wellness with Vimal. When we are discussing and trying to find out the solutions of the issues related to your health, your mental wellness, your eating habits, your daily lifestyle, with the help of Ashtanga Yoga, the eight limbs of yoga. By using those principles of Ashtanga Yoga, we are trying to see how we can improve our overall health, physical health as well as the mental health. So often people come and ask me that we are fit, we don't seem to need to do any exercise, any yoga and all. So I always tell them, see, if you buy a car, you maintain a car. If you buy a house, you maintain a house. So if you can maintain these immaterial things, this precious life, this precious body, why can't you maintain that? And for the maintenance, why are you waiting to break down? Go for the preventive maintenance. So any form of exercise, health, yoga, whatever you are doing, that is a kind of preventive maintenance you are giving to your body, not waiting for the breakdown. That's what my saying. And think about it. If something has happened to you, then you go for it. It's not gonna make that much difference. Like for example, if you're doing any exercise, like say today's asana which we will be performing. So today's asana, which is going to be our point of discussion, demonstration, benefits and contraindications, it will be the asana which is very much beneficial for the people, those who do not want to face the problems related to back issues, back pain, varicose veins, hips issues, slip disc, heart failures. If you don't want these kind of issues, do the asana which is known as Shalabhasana, locust pose. At the same time, if you are already have got slip disc, already have got acute back pain, you would not be able to do it. So what I'm talking about is, do not go for the breakdown maintenance, go for the preventive maintenance. Keep doing the exercises, yoga to make yourself healthy. With this thought, let's start today's yoga session. The asana, which I have already introduced, that is Shalabhasana, locust pose. Now, talking about the benefits of locust pose, it is pretty much beneficial for you keeping your back flexible, strengthened, keeping your posture straight, keeping your lower body veins to be at a good functioning stage. So especially people, you will not have any varicose veins related problems, which has become very common nowadays if you are performing continuously this Shalabhasana, locust pose. Talking about the contraindications, if you have a high blood pressure, do not do this. This asana will pump the body, the blood in the upper part of your body, right? So if you are high blood pressure, do not do this. If you are pregnant, do not do this. If you have got any kind of surgery in your stomach, hernia, ulcer, and those kind of, avoid doing this. Do not do this. If you have got acute back pain, do not do this. In rest other conditions, you can do it to make your back healthy, flexible, and strengthened. All right. Let's see the demonstration for this. So to do Shalabhasana locust pose, you need to be in the Makrasana position. So lying down on your stomach. So there are different variations. I will try to show all kinds of variations one by one. So first, let's try to keep our hands near to our body. The palm should be facing the sky. Now we'll try to do with one leg first. So I'm trying to do with first leg. Try to keep your chin on floor so you can get the support. Breathe in, lift your leg up. Make sure you're not bending your knee. Hold. Slowly breathe out and down. Same you need to do with the left leg. Breathe in. Just need to make sure you should not bend your leg. Slowly breathe out. Do it with breathe. It will be easy to do. The same we can do with two legs. both the legs together. Breathe in. Breathe out. Before you do with both the legs together, you need to be doing some practice with one leg. Do not go for the two legs in the very first time when you are practicing this. There are a few more variations which can be done with the help of, you're going to use both hands and legs, like sitting like this, your chin on floor, your hands straight, legs straight. So we can do diagonal first. Breathe in, lift your left leg and right hand. This helps in correcting your posture as well. Breathe out. Breathe in. Right leg, left hand. Breathe out. There is one more variation. Both the hands, you can make a lock of it and lift the upper part of your body only. Breathe in. Breathe out. Both the hands near to your body. Relax for some time, maybe for 10 seconds. Thereafter, you can stand up or sit down. So there are different variations which we have seen for Shalabhasana, locust pose. Remember the benefits. It will be beneficial only if you are doing in right posture with right breathing. So when you are lifting a leg, breathe in, going down, breathe out. With right technique, right breathing, you would be able to see the difference in your body when you will perform this asana, Shalabhasana. Remember, continuity is the key and do it as per your capacity. Yatha Shakti Nirantaram. Do not try to over push your body. Let your body gain strength and flexibility in due course of time. It does not happen over a night, or there's no magic which can do it over a night. It takes a due course of time. So continuity is the key, of course, but do it as per your capacity. Yatha Shakti Nirantaram. Now, talking about the tip of the day. So, for the tip of the day, I would say if you really want to reduce your weight or the fat percentage in your body, I know in the normal life it is not that easy to do it, to change or to make a drastic change. We have discussed this about in the previous videos also. Do one more small change in your diet, like whenever you are going for the food, try to have more fiber. For example, you can have more salads before you go to the actual food. That's it. The small change. Try to have salad first, then the actual meal. In salad, you can include anything: carrot, cucumber, beetroots, or whatever you like. Try to do it. You would feel the difference in your body within 21 days. Do it. That's it from today. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks. Om Pranam.